Hi, so Sophie is currently asleep, but I've got this really cool idea for an activity to go with our flashing fire engine story, and it does take a bit of preparation. You could do this with your children, but I think Sophie would just get bored and would want to start playing straight away, and I want to have some ready for her. So, basic idea is you need some paper and some cups. Generally, cups with handles, I think, will be better. And then we're going to draw around the cup on the paper. I'll just do that and then I'll hold it up to show you. So, we draw, left a little ring on the cup. Draw around the circle, and then when we cut around it, we're going to leave about an inch around the outside of the circle we've just drawn. And then, all the way around it, we cut in to that circle. These are going to be fires for Sophie to try and put out with her fire hose that we're going to try and make together. So I'm going to use some of her crayons and I'm going to try and draw a fire. Draw my fire on here. Now, got my mug, put my circle on. Those flaps should fold over the edges, and then we're going to use some tape to glue it on. So I've got masking tape just because I can tear it with my fingers, which I always find quite helpful, but it is quite expensive, and sellotape or parcel tape will do the same job. There. So we want to make loads of these and set them up ready for when we've made our fire hose later. Now, obviously, we set these things up so that the kids can have a go at them. But that doesn't mean we can't test them first, does it? Because this one looks really fun. Oh, no. Does it do it if you're closer? Hey, there we go. The paper one didn't work. We tried doing it with the paper-covered cups. The paper, you can break through it with the hose, but you have to get quite close and it's quite tricky. So I've dug around, found some tissue paper. I wonder whether newspaper might work, or paper towel would probably work, or toilet paper. Okay. Success.